Hey guys, many don't know, but we actually do roll cages in-house. Full welding, state level, national spec, doesn't matter, we can cater for all of them. Example of one of our cages is here right now that we've just completed this week. We can tailor it to suit your needs. So we can keep it as basic as the state level requirements. We can add extra bars in here, we can add extra bars in there, doesn't matter. As you can see with this car here, customer dropped it off to us. It was still a relatively complete car, still had all the sound deadening, still had the dash in it, still had all the doors, windows, everything in it. So the customer opted in this case for us to carry out those parts of the job for him, which we've done. We also do floor modifications, so we can put custom seating alignment in. Very important with the XL race cars because we're limited on space for height and things like that. With our roll cages in the XLs, you have two options. You have the option of pulling the dash out like this one is. Our front bars, we bend up and they actually sit in as far forward as possible. We'll actually cut and modify the dash to suit. Or the other option is, which is a bit of a cheat, you can leave the dash in. We can actually make the front bars come down behind the dash. Only restriction with that is you'll never get your dash out. So for all your roll cage needs, XL, not XL, any category, any car, we can cater for you. We definitely specialise in XLs. So if you want one done, you got any queries about a roll cage at all, shoot us a message, give us a call. We're happy to help you out.